Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to remove member from group, Messenger group. Now to begin the process, open the Messenger application first. Once you open the Messenger application, you tap upon the group from which you want to remove a member. Tap upon that group. Once you're at the group page, what you need to do is tap on the eye icon on the top right corner. Tap that eye icon. It will direct you to the setting page where you will be able to make setting regarding this group. Now from here, what you need to do is you need to scroll down and look and see member. Tap that, and here are the members that are in the group. For you to remove a certain someone, you just tap on that profile and it will give you this pop-out. From this pop-out, all you have to do is tap on remove from group chat. Tap that. With that person will be directly removed from group chat. So this is how you can remove a member from group chat Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.